Attention all job seekers. Are you ready to see the future of work? It's a brave new world out there, and technology is changing the way we do business faster than ever before. In today's video, we're going to be exploring 5 jobs that are on the verge of being replaced by automation. Welcome to the future, where machines are taking over more and more what we once thought will be exclusive to people. In other words, human interaction. Are you ready to see whether your career is on the list or not? Let's get started. One of the first jobs at risk is assembly lines. In many factories, automation is taking place very quickly. Yes, regular human workers are being replaced by machines, and one machine can replace up to 5 human workers very easily, depending on the job to be done. A robot can do it faster and never gets tired. It can also work 24 hours without a complaint. In order to increase efficiency and reduce costs, factory owners are replacing human workers with robots that can work faster and more accurately. While this may improve efficiency and production, it also means that many jobs once thought to be secure by humans are now gonna disappear very soon. And in some cases, this has happened already with these fully automated 24/7 factories. Have you ever seen those people who sit in front of a computer all day, typing in numbers and information? Yeah, they are data entry clerks. Well, nowadays, machines are getting smarter and smarter, and they're starting to take over these types of jobs too. With the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, computers are now able to process and analyze data faster and more accurately than humans. A robot can check on thousands of files in 3 seconds, while a human might take a little longer. Companies are starting to see the benefits of using automated systems to handle these tasks, which means that human workers in this someday on-demand job are being replaced. It's crazy to think that even jobs like these, which seem pretty simple, are now automated by AI. Third on our list, we have customer service representatives. Many companies are replacing human customer service representatives with chatbots and virtual assistants. These automated systems are able to handle simple inquiries and tasks. While chatbots and virtual assistants may improve efficiency, they also have the potential to eliminate many jobs, such as remote sales representatives or even newscasters when streaming live. Yes, streaming live. For scary and strange this might sound, this is now possible with AI. Technology can replace someone talking on the screen to the public on real time by generating an artificial human, better known as avatars. The truck drivers. These amazing people that deliver and transport goods for other people to go and buy at the supermarket. Well, in the last decade, self-driving vehicles are becoming a reality, and many companies are looking forward to replacing truck drivers with autonomous vehicles that can navigate roads and highways for long hours without human intervention. We have witnessed this with our own eyes. The new and electric self-driving vehicles that are improving in safety and efficiency. Well, it turns out that technology is starting to threaten their jobs too. Self-driving vehicles are becoming more and more common. It's hard to believe that even a job like truck driver, which requires a lot of skill and years of experience, will be part of history thanks to the gigantic steps in the progress of new technologies. And finally, we come to the job that we all love and hate. You know these people who stand behind the counter at stores and take our money when we're checking out. It turns out that they may not be around much longer. With the rise of self-checkout kiosks and mobile payment methods, many retailers are starting to replace human cashiers with automated systems that can handle transactions and payments too. Can you believe it? Even this job is already taken over by machines and artificial intelligence. Self-checkout kiosks and mobile payment systems are becoming more and more popular. It's kind of a bummer, right? Who doesn't love having a nice little conversation with a friendly cashier at checking out? Or it might be one of those days you have to deal with the ones that are rude and don't seem to be willing at all about great customer service. Whatever the case might be, it looks like the future of shopping may be a little less personal. The future in many industries is changing extremely rapidly. That's why it's important to stay up to date on the latest developments in new technologies. What do you think the future will look like? Do you think machines and artificial intelligence will do a better job than humans? Let us know in the comments. Have any suggestions? Tell us also in the comments section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, we'd love you to give us a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming and unbelievable new technologies. Thanks for watching.